Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq, back with our annual Singapore Fintech Festival coverage. Organized by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, the Singapore Fintech Fest is on 6th edition, and we're proud to be a media partner for the 4th year in a row. Joining me for this segment is Wong. He's the Vice President of Wealth Management Department at LongBridge. Leo, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Hi, Jill. Thanks very much for inviting me as well.
All right, you got it. And introduce our audience to LongBridge.
Yeah, sure. So LongBridge is basically we can call it a Singapore kind of a background company. So basically we have our first online brokerage business started in New Zealand back in 2019. And then we have basically we've developed quite fast in this two or 3 years. So basically now we are already, basically we've obtained our license in Hong Kong. So we're now developing our business in Hong Kong right now, and looking to expand our business in Singapore and US later afterwards. So this is basically a basic background of LongBridge. But so basically, apart from that, we have obtained some strategical investment from different kind of fintech companies, and also from some of the famous financial companies as well. And so our company basically we are focused on the fintech component of our the brokerage business, trying to allow the investors to focus us on the for example how the investor could being educated by looking at our app. Looking in how to expand and investing more investment in a global basis and on a kind of a convenient way in doing so. And right now we are trying to expand our business in the also in the APAC, in the US, expanding our product basis in the expand our different product bases as well. And that's basically it.
Okay, so Leo, tell us, what is LongBridge's plan in the APAC region?
Okay, in the APAC region, we're trying to firstly we're trying to expand our business in Hong Kong and Singapore, obtaining the necessary licenses in both Hong Kong and Singapore. By doing so, we're trying to focus on the client base in APAC, trying to build up a kind of a bigger business, business in the B2B business as well as the B2C business, by developing our own BSS vendor, allowing more people can try to maybe some of the small brokers, having a heavy cost in maintaining their business. We can actually have more collaboration with them in Hong Kong and maybe also in Singapore. And this is one of the this opportunity we're trying to look for in APAC. And apart from that, we're trying to looking for different opportunities, and maybe we can have more more branch or more companies having different companies in APAC as well.
Right, and the brokerage industry is highly competitive in that region. So how do you position LongBridge?
We believe that I think I agree with your what you said. We agree that brokerage industry is quite competitive in the APAC region. We believe that we're trying to be unique ourselves. So, for example, we're trying to expand our fintech component such that we can have more different components, having a more different kind of unique features. For example, we're trying to have some different components, such as we have a feature called supply chain, so that we can have more clear picture for the investors. So by using our app, we can look at the competitors, the suppliers and customers in just in one glance. And we could also have other features such as for example, we have the live trading features. We can allow people to discuss and having instant messages and a live broadcast on the share quote kind of a features. We have some different features such as the community, allow people to share and collaborate, and allow people to enjoy investing while making money easier. Well, we believe, and we hope so. Yeah.
And Leo, to wrap up here, tell us about the collaboration that LongBridge has with Nasdaq.
Currently, we do purchase a price quote with Nasdaq currently, with mainly focus on the share price. In the future, when we develop our business in, like for example, in the cryptos, or in the say in the futures kind of commodities, we believe that we will consider buying more kind of quotes with Nasdaq, and also maybe possible listing in Nasdaq in the future.
All right. Well, Leo, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thanks very much, Jill. Thank you.